Welcome back to Beautyistic, the place where beauty meets authenticity. Today, we're tackling a product that could make a noticeable difference in your lash game, the Clinique Lash Building Primer. If you've been looking for a primer to elevate your mascara's performance, or you're in search of a product that works seamlessly for sensitive eyes, stick around because this one's designed with care, and I'll take you through its benefits and how it fares in real life. Let's start with the basics. Clinique's Lash Building Primer is a mascara primer designed to condition and hydrate lashes before applying your mascara. The formula is lightweight and promises to give you fuller, longer lashes by creating the perfect base for mascara. With a unique wand applicator, it's formulated to work for all skin types, including those with sensitive eyes, which is a major plus for anyone who's had issues with eye irritation from traditional lash primers. What really sets this primer apart is its moisturizing formula. It isn't just about enhancing the look of your lashes, it also aims to improve their health over time. As a woman who values gentle but effective products, this is something I appreciate. We often forget that lashes need care just like the skin around our eyes. The conditioning agents in this primer could potentially strengthen your lashes with continued use, ensuring that your lashes remain hydrated, soft, and well-nourished. Now let's talk about the real-world experience. Integrating this primer into my routine was incredibly easy. The wand allows for precise application, and the lightweight formula felt gentle on my lashes without weighing them down. It glides on smoothly, coating each lash evenly and creating a natural, almost invisible layer before mascara. What's interesting is how it truly primes the lashes, giving them more volume and length when paired with my usual mascara. It doesn't clump or cause any flaking, just full, lifted lashes that last throughout the day. However, while it works beautifully under mascara, I did notice that if I applied too much product, it could feel a bit heavy, and I had to be careful with the amount. But that's a minor issue, and the benefits definitely outweigh this small challenge. As for the pros, the Clinique Lash Building Primer is light, effective, and gentle. It's particularly fantastic for those with sensitive eyes, as it doesn't cause irritation or dryness, and the moisturizing effect is a huge bonus. Its versatility across different skin types makes it a great option for anyone looking to up their lash game without worrying about irritation. On the downside, the formula may not be as groundbreaking as some might hope in terms of adding extreme volume or length on its own. It's more about the conditioning and creating a better base, which works well for some, but might leave others looking for more dramatic results. And while it does improve mascara performance, it's not a substitute for a good mascara, so keep that in mind. When it comes to value for money, this primer is priced fairly for a product from a trusted brand like Clinique. You're not just paying for the product itself, but for the assurance that it's dermatologist tested, allergy tested, and free from irritating fragrances. The 1-ounce tube should last you a decent amount of time with regular use, and you're getting a high-quality, sensitive skin-friendly product. That said, there are cheaper primers out there but few that offer the same level of care for sensitive eyes, so it's worth considering if that's a priority for you. Now, if you're looking for something more affordable, there are options like L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Primer, which offers a similar performance at a lower price point, though it may not have the same gentle formulation for sensitive eyes. In terms of build quality, the tube design is simple and functional. The packaging is lightweight and easy to carry around, with the wand ensuring precise application. There's no fuss, just a straightforward product that delivers. Since it's a conditioning primer, it's great to see the brand thinking long-term about lash health, which is always a win. So does the Clinique Lash Building Primer live up to its claims? In my opinion, yes. It's a solid, reliable primer that works beautifully for anyone looking to enhance their mascara without worrying about irritation or damage to their lashes. If you're someone who values both effective makeup and skin-friendly ingredients, this primer is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching today's review. If you've tried the Clinique Lash Building Primer, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.